Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up custom dashboards in HubSpot Sales Hub step by step clearly. To set up custom dashboards in HubSpot Sales Hub, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the Sales Dashboard menu from the main navigation bar. Look for the Dashboards option within the drop-down. Click on Dashboards to view your existing dashboards. To create a new dashboard, select the Create Dashboard button typically located at the top right corner. You will be prompted to choose between a blank dashboard or a pre-made template. If you prefer customization, select Blank Dashboard. Next, give your new dashboard a descriptive name for easy identification. With your dashboard created, it's time to add reports. Click on the Add Report button, which you will find in the dashboard interface. In the report library, browse through available reports. Once you've identified the reports you'd like to include, select them one at a time. After selecting a report, click on the Add Report button to insert it into your dashboard. Arrange your reports by dragging and dropping them to your desired positions. You can adjust the size of each report by clicking and dragging the edges. To further tailor your reports, click on the Settings icon in the report header. This allows you to customize filters, date ranges, and display options. When you are satisfied with your dashboard layout, click Save. Your custom dashboard will now be available for easy access. If you want to share your dashboard with team members, click on the Share Dashboard option. You can choose which team members or user groups will have access. Follow the prompts to finalize the sharing settings. To revisit or modify your dashboard later, head back to the Dashboards menu. With these steps, you can effectively set up custom dashboards in HubSpot Sales Hub tailored to your business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.